Elon Musk's latest critique of ULA, a battle over reusability in spaceflight. Musk critiqued United Launch Alliance ULA's 2015 skepticism about reusable rockets, highlighting how SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket has shattered records this week. The Falcon 9 achieved its 400th drone ship landing, marking a milestone in its ongoing quest for cost-effective space travel. Meanwhile, ULA's Vulcan rocket, which has flown only twice this year, pales in comparison to SpaceX's 73 launches. The booster on Falcon 9's 1067th flight completed a historic 30th mission since 2021, underscoring the rapid advancements in space technology. While ULA's Vulcan has remained a niche player in the launch market, SpaceX's Falcon 9 has become a symbol of innovation. Musk's mockery of ULA's 2015 doubts reflects a broader tension between traditional aerospace companies and the disruptive power of private sector startups. The Falcon 9's ability to land and reuse its first stage has transformed spaceflight economics, making missions more affordable and sustainable. This rivalry highlights a critical debate. Should space exploration prioritize efficiency over legacy systems? Critics argue that ULA's approach, rooted in government contracts and long-term planning, offers stability and expertise. Meanwhile, proponents see SpaceX's model as a blueprint for democratizing access to space. As StockTwits users celebrated Rocket Lab's stock gains, the question lingers: will the future of spaceflight be shaped by tradition or innovation? But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts warn that the race to innovate could outpace regulatory frameworks, risking safety and environmental concerns. Others argue that ULA's focus on reliability ensures a more predictable industry. Which path will dominate? The answer may lie in the next generation of rockets, where tradition meets reinvention.